girl right here, back with a maintenance vlog for you guys. And yesterday was a hectic day. I had to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning just to go get my hair done. I do got some footage that I'm going to insert now.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My uncle's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
so yeah, that's me getting my hair done. I mean, overall it look good. It look good. Right now I'm about to probably go get something to eat, and then go get my nails done, and probably go to like Target or something to get lashes. So let's go. I know I was supposed to get my nails done, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna save me some coins and go to Target and see what I can find, get some press-on nails and probably some eyelashes and do it myself. So let's come on. Come with me, let's go to Target. So right now I'm at Target and right now I'm in the chip aisle. I don't know why, but I'm trying to find the nails and some eyelash extensions because I'm about to DIY myself. So yeah. So I'm thinking about these. Oh, these are pretty. Press on the girls. These seem like a good one. So it comes with the eyelash extensions and then they come like with little ones. Alright, I'm gonna add this to the cart. We'll be alright. So the next thing I'm gonna do is these eyelashes. I'm gonna zoom that in because this will be me and your first time doing this together. I never did it before, so let's do this together. So I know there's the bond, the seal, yada yada yada, and you put it underneath your eyelash. Simple, right? Yeah, it should be simple. So these are how the lashes look. So I think I'm gonna start with. I want these. I might start with the 14s on the inner corner and then like work my way lower. Because let me see. What do you think? And it came with like this little cute tweezer. Alright, let me see how the 16s look. The 16s might not look that bad. Yeah, I might do the 16s at the end. Alright. So first I'm gonna put the bond. I don't know how many coats. We gonna trial and error. Oh, that was not hard at all. Okay. Alright, that was simple. Girl, let me find out. I'm gonna do one more 16. I'm about to be a lash girly. I'm about to be a lash girly. And I'm gonna do a 4. Okay, now I'm gonna do another 14. And then I'm gonna do a 10. Yeah, tell me. This looks really natural. I like it actually. But yeah, didn't tell me this was easy. I could have did this years ago. Very much giving natural lash. But they're cute. They're cute though. It gives me a little bit of ba-ba-boom, which is nice. My lash, but better. Alright, let me move on to my fingernails. So I got these nails right here. I hope you can see them. I'm gonna take them out the plastic so you can see them a little bit better. So these are the nails right here. Cute. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut my nails first of all. Going to prep them. My cuticles are okay, so I don't need to do my cuticle. I'm just gonna bow each nail down. And buff my nail. This helps the nail glue to stick on better, the nail itself too, to stick better. I'm just going to shape each nail to my liking. Okay, so now that I got all my nails lined up the way they fit on my finger, I'm just gonna glue them on. And simple as that. So I'm gonna use the glue that came with it and just glue these bad boys on. So I like to do the fingernail and also the nail itself. And press down. So this is how my nails turned out. Super cute. Love them. They came out super cute. And These are my lashes. It's giving very much spiky but natural, which I like. So yeah, nails and lash. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.
We run. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, just some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.